showing that is 0. 0. So what next we have to do? We have to click on the sensor. If we want to simulate the sensor, we have to click on the sensor. Yes, we are going to click. It will show the range of the sensor. This one is the range, and the sensor range is approximate 4 to 5 meter, and the angle 180 degree approximate 120 degree angle that you are going to see it over here in this. This one is the range of the sensor. So in this range, if any object, any living being is coming, the sensor will get it. So like there is two condition in this sensor that should be get followed. First one is that should be a living being, and second one is that living being should be in a motion. Like I'm just going to show the living being is now in front of the sensor and that is in a motion. So you are getting output in the serial monitor, that is 1. If there is no object in front of the sensor, you can see on the serial monitor the value is 0. Again, if there is any living being in front of the sensor, in the range of the sensor, if anyone is outside of this range, so you are going to get value over there 0. If the object is in front of the sensor, in the range of the sensor, you can see the value on the serial monitor, that is 1. Otherwise, value is 0. Means the microcontroller reading that sensor value in the logic of binary, that is 0 or 1. If there is no object, the value it will read, that is 0. If there is any object, living being in front of the sensor, any human being in front of the sensor, it will read 1. So now the based on the sensor value, that is 0 and 1, we are reading it. Based on this value, what we are going to do, we are going to turn on any buzzer, speaker or something like that we are going to do. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to connect one speaker, one buzzer over there with this, one wire. We are connecting with any digital pin, and the ground we have to connect with the ground wire. Color you can change it based upon your sensor. So now after that, what we have to do, if the sensor value is 1, when the sensor value is 1, then buzzer should be on, otherwise buzzer should be off. Buzzer is indicating over here doorbell. If there is any person in front of your door, you have mounted the sensor in front of your door. So automatically, if there is any person, buzzer will be on. Otherwise, buzzer will be off. That is contactless doorbell you are going to be. So now go to the code. So this one is code for reading sensor value. Now we are going to apply the condition on the sensor value. So for that we have to go to the control and we are going to use if then else condition. If then else condition. So you can take this block from the control like this. So now the if condition we have to apply on the sensor value. So the sensor value we are using it, this block. So you can take this block again from the input, this one, and the pin number is 3. So this block is not getting get fitted over there. So what we have to do, we have to take one another block that is known as a comparison block. That we are going to cut it in a math block over there. Go to the math, and the second block you are going to get it, that is comparison block. You are going to compare sensor value with 0 or 1. So I'm going to take this comparison block, and that block can be get fitted over here properly like this. You can see. Now you can use this sensor block over here like this. So now the if sensor value less than equal, or we can make it equal to 0, our condition gets satisfied. If the sensor value is equal to 1, what we want to do? We want to play the speaker. So go to the output. There is a block play speaker over here. Like pin number of the speaker is 8 number. When the sensor value is 1, speaker will be on. Otherwise, what we want to turn off the speaker. So there is another block, play turn off the speaker, that we can put it in the else block and select the pin number, that is same pin for speaker. So this one is my code. And when we talk about the C++ code, automatically C++ code will be get generated over there. So you can understand it in more better way. Like we are using pin mode. When 3 number pin we are using it as an input. We are reading the sensor value on the 3 number pin. and 8 number pin we are using it for the output, so that we have to define in the microcontroller programming. Then the serial begin, that is the serial communication library. Whenever we have to communicate serially from the microcontroller, we have to use that library that we have to initialize, that is serial begin. And 9600 is the port rate, broadcasting rate, broadcasting bits per second data transmission rate, so that we can change it. There are different baud rates, like we can use 1.520 if we want more data. Just take an example, like if we want to receive data of frequency, so hertz, 50 hertz data. So that is little bit faster. So we have to increase the baud rate so that we can see the waveform. So if that kind of condition is not available, we have to read only the basic sensor value. So the by default baud rate we can use it, that is 9600. Then this one is a serial print. We are printing on the serial monitor the data of sensor we are reading. So this one is the code that we have written, and this one is my circuit. Start simulation and check it out how it is working. Now, if there is no object in front of the sensor, you have mounted the sensor on the door. If any object is coming in front of the sensor, buzzer will be on. If there is no object, no person in front of the door, buzzer will be automatically turned off. Again, if any person coming in front of the door, automatically your door will start ringing. So this one we have tested over there using that simple buzzer.